Hello guys, many of you has a lot of complaint that I'm not uploading any solution video for either 19 or 18 or 17. So as I can say, I was so busy, but I had an idea. So today I thought it is a correct time to share. So it's a great moment for me as I'm going to launch a test series for especially XE material science and polymer science. And as you all have a lot of doubts and I cannot upload a lot of videos, so you will have 15 free classes also, free live classes also, for asking any doubt and anything. So a lot to say and a lot to express, so let's start. So of course whoever is seeing this video is most probably targeting GATE 2021. So I know you all are worried about previous year questions. You all are searching their solutions also, detailed solution and the theory behind them also. Need practice problems, where can I get the practice problems, and who will tell me the concepts, what are the doubts, and you all have your own doubts. So don't worry, every problem has a solution. So I thought to launch this test series. So tentative plans and strategies is going to be something like we'll have a 7 section wise tests according to syllabus plus 8 full set subject wise tests. So total we have 15 tests. So along with these tests we have 15 live classes also, and test will be available for only material science or polymer science or both. It depends on who is going to give which subject in GATE 2021. So detailed solution and explanation for every questions asked in the test, so everything will be given. Of course live classes will be just after finishing the test at every alternate day. So you will have 15 tests in the next 30 days. Test series is going to start from January 1. Before 10 days I thought that I'll upload the video and I'll tell everyone. I'll not only be available in the live class but also after class also. You will be free to ask any doubts or questions from the test or previous year question papers or your own doubt regarding GATE in not only live class but off class also. And so you don't need to complain to me that I am not uploading any video or any solution. So I'll be available for you for next 30 days. You can ask anything either off the class or in the class. At 9 o'clock at the test time, a drive link will be shared to you at the scheduled time of the test to access the PDF. PDF will not be downloadable, but you will have lifetime access and can be opened by you only with your provided Gmail ID. So the privacy will be given to you. No other else can access those PDFs and test papers. And of course you all are thinking nothing comes free, right? No one will work day and night for you for free. My whole IIT Bombay team is working to set the paper by considering all the IIT Bombay's professors' assignments and their preferred books. So they are preparing the question papers. Of course there will be some fee. So for material science only it is 1500. For both material science plus polymer science it should be 3000. But hold on, it is almost 30% off. It is 2100 only. Hold on, is it over? 2100? How can I give? Yes, the top 100 offer, the extra 10% will be off for the first 100 registrations. So hurry up, don't be late. The moment you will register, you will get notified by message, and almost I think everyone will be offered. So the previous and told price is not the exact price. You can subtract this 10% also. It's not just a test series as I've already mentioned, but a 1 month crash course. How is it crash course? Of course yes, questions and problems asked in the test series will be from almost every important topics from GATE 2021 point of view, and we'll discuss those all concepts while solving NATs, MTFAQs, match the followings, MCQs and MSQs. First section wise, first 7 tests, and then as a whole. So I'll be guiding you for the last 1.5 months. So, well, how to connect? Yep, join our WhatsApp group, link is in the description. Any difficulties to join? Just mail us to materialsworldxc@gmail.com. I believe you all are ready. Let's pass it.